Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel Easy Guide. Today we're going to see that how to join Brevo affiliate program. So at first you need to visit the site brevo.com, and from here you can sign up for free, or it's not that necessary to sign up. So after that we can simply search here on a new tab, Brevo affiliate program, and from here we have to click on the first link, become a Brevo affiliate partner. And after visiting this site you have to simply click on become an affiliate, and from here you have to simply fill up this form: first name, last name, company website, your work email, country, and you have to click on next, and done. You finally joined their affiliate program. So this is that simple. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.